Hey, want to schedule WhatsApp messages automatically on your iPhone? In this video, I'll walk you through how to schedule WhatsApp messages using the Shortcuts app on iOS. Let's jump right in. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Tap on the Automation tab at the bottom. At the top right corner, hit the plus icon, then choose Create Personal Automation. Next, select Time of Day, and set the time to send the message. Now, depending on how often you want to send it, you can choose daily if you want it to repeat every day, weekly to select a specific day of the week, or monthly to pick the month and date. For this example, I'll go with the daily option. Now scroll to the bottom and tap on Run Immediately. After that, tap Next at the top right, then select New Blank Automation. Now choose Apps. Scroll and select WhatsApp and then tap Send Message. Now here's the fun part. Tap Message and type in the text you want to send. Tap Recipient, choose the contact, and hit Done. Once everything looks good, tap Next, then Done again. And that's it. Your WhatsApp message is now scheduled and will be sent automatically at the time you chose. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.